Hello, mate. More energy.
But the good thing is, why do you take the video and go party, man?
What's that, innit? Here, bro.
Oh, there's a strap.
So we're with box shaped Civic. We are doing his new engine.
Yes.
This little strip and build for next year. AJ, walk us through what happened to your car at Pod.
Basically,
AJ, what happened to your car?
got tied the pulley, bro. Human error, so I just call it human error.
It happens part of racing,
human
innit?
error. So-
But look how quickly you rushed to get it ready.
I didn't rush it.
Oh, as in like, you know, look how quick the turnaround.
Straight in, straight out, but we missed one bolt in.
Yeah, it happens. It's nature of racing.
Yeah. Better than-
It happens.
So we've had so
So you-
much fun in the stop block. You know, we've got it to 10.3. The year's not done. We're gonna go again. Stop block. Hopefully, we're gonna change the head, put it into a K20 FN head.
So you're okay. You're doing an FN2 head with a K24 block,
Yeah,
stock everything.
yeah. Run it
With a
all
snail
this
attached.
year. The rest of the year, run it for the start of the year for the streets, Mexico.
I wonder what flag he's got in his unit.
Next year, we're going for the Lala build.
Okay.
The Lala build
Here's
is called.
Lola right there.
The Lala build is a 722 build, basically.
Okay.
So
Woof.
we've done it before, we've rebuilt it, we've sent it into an EK. It's not in this country, it's gone to my friend's country, Jerry's country, Montserrat. And we tuned it up to 722.
722.
Yeah, on a
Great Japanese ponies.
yeah, with a 5-speed box on it. So we're
Look
gonna
at-
do the same thing
Look at the
here.
flag he's repping. Mexico.
Here's the original flag, okay. Alright.
Well, it's upside down. Come on, man.
because-
Flip it, flip it.
I'm not gonna flip into the fixed cashmere in it.
Okay, fair.
Yeah, they're taking
Yeah,
the piss.
that's
And
fair.
it family.
You know what I want to do on mine? You know, in America, they start their drag, like they go to their burnout box and a massive Junda on the back.
Yeah, that'd be
That'd
sick.
be sick, boss.
So yeah. Oh, try not to get the car in the background.
Oh,
No,
sorry.
no, leave this
Sorry.
one. This
Didn't
is
know
a
that
private
one.
build. I'm not supposed to look at this one yet. But don't look at the 8.5 kg now.
So just in the process of stripping this engine, ready for him to build it. Well, the head's got to come off. He wants the pistons out and he wants to crank out. I'm just going to send it. We're on a bit of a time limit. Just going to do it. Get it.
So AJ.
AJ's here, man.
Oh, AJ.
Shut up.
Pasha's, yeah.
That's what you need to go film. Go film him. Open the gate.
Boy, just a little run around, you know, just to give these guys, keep them on their toes and that, you know.
Okay, what did you do with the bike today then, bro?
Today, first, hold on. Ore! First, yeah, we changed clutch cable.
Right.
Then we changed the wheels and that, you know, on the float. They're leaking and that, and it's now sorted, isn't it?
So where about was it?
Who wants it, man? Who wants it?
Where about was it then, buddy?
Buddy, it's on the other side, buddy.
How is it?
So there's the new cable coming from there. We're going to take this compartment off and feeds into there, up to there. And then in here, the seals in that are changed. The rubbers and the washers and everything and everything.
All right then.
Million horsepower engine. Cam tails are off, hams are off. Everything's laid out nicely.
Right.
We're in AJ's workshop now. Professionals.
So what are you doing to the head now then?
We're taking the head bolts
Oi,
off.
oi, listen. Have you heard of Speed Factory? This is called Speed Country.
Speed country.
Okay?
Okay.
So for the record, we cracked the head bolts off in the right sequence. They're all off.
You got another mechanic here as well?
No mechanic here because we just watch it, observing.
He's taking notes. He's taking notes.
So it's Big Sarge and Big AJ and Big P. So what block is this then, AJ? What block is this then, AJ?
This is the block. This is one of many. We have loads parked up. This is just an experiment one. We're gonna
Okay.
use.
Okay.
We have plenty of more just parked up. Like we said before, we've tried one. We've
I'll
sent
go
it.
water in the car. No, thanks, Pash.
We're gonna try the same setup as we
Okay.
do.
That's water.
No, I'll go water in the car.
Jerry's back next week.
Okay.
Once he could see he'll see the. Hopefully we did the work what he would have done for us,
Mm.
and he'll say, "Here's the list. Now go put this in there. We'll put it back together, and we want to run that 722 next year."
Just smoke him.
Inshallah.
Jamie, I want a pay rise. Pay me serious money, you know.
Brought it. Fiji by the caseload.
I'll still refuse to put a bin on it. I'll sit here and take my time. Yeah. You're not reusing these, innit?
No, we don't.
Good lad.
To me and you, they're just sort of like straws in it,
Yeah.
like, or like tent. You know, to put the tent down or something.
Right.
They're gonna hold it.
This is the bit that I hate the most.
Oh, we're not gloves.
Taking the head off.
There you go.
So just AJ, I just needed his
Energy.
yeah. But the
More
good,
energy.
but the good
More
thing
power.
is AJ said he's gonna reuse these valve guides. They're finished.
You wish you might.
What's happened there, Taj?
It's fucking stoch, lad.
So look, it'll tell me all the events See, look. So door slammers, where's it gone now? Jap show. Look, see, door slammers. So it all starts off from April and May basically. This was this year now, so look, where are we now? October. Look, I've already marked it. GTI show, next show. You get me? Bismillah.
There come the heads off now.
Off the gasket show. All your dolls.
Gaskets alright.
It's not bad. Never been opened in 20, 30 years.
You know this thing,
Yeah.
I realised what this was after a very long time. That is to make the coolant go the long way around, so make sure it cools all of the cylinders.
Oh.
AJ, spin the engine!
There you go.
Beautiful. So now what's next, AJ?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Main bolts.
Let's go.
All the girdle bolts as well.
This was a knocking engine. It was knocking.
It was knocking.
That engine over there, I lost thrust bearings because the clutch went.
Right.
Put pressure on the crank and it makes you lose the thrust bearings. We can hear you. The chai one is here. Uber Eats.
Get into the
Have you got the pin, please, guys?
K24. Wow, the code's K24.
K24.
Yeah.
What do you do there, Saj?
You know, I'm yee-hawing this piston, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is not how you're supposed to be doing it. But for the lack of
Go on,
better
I've got
tools,
it.
bro.
There you go.
The lack of better tools, doing it this way. Because we're not reusing the bolts or the rods or the pistons.
Zap, zap.
Good little trick to get your pistons out. Couple of threads back in on your conrod bolts. Are you bearing it?
She's alright. One, not one.
I got some
not
scoring.
one.
Are you sure this was knocking?
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah, slight scoring in there, but nothing major.
Nothing major. This one could be salvage.
Salvage.
Salvage. The crank could get polished. Maybe it could get saved. Push.
It's a boy!
It's a boy.
Look how thin the rods are. They're like a finger thick, bro. And they hold 500 brake. 600 brake.
592.
There you go. There's your problem. It was knocking.
Hey, see, it's good to find the problem.
Let me see the problem.
Oh dear.
It's mushroomed over.
Yeah, the mushroom.
That's what happened to Jamin's photo.
Oh no.
Same thing.
What number piston was that?
Number 3. Oh, number 2, sorry. From the
Number
front.
2.
Yeah, number 2 from the front.
So this is where the crank should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that one's gone in.
Yeah, starting to mushroom over. No good chai.
So what are these then?
Thrust bearings.
No, they're Conrod bearings.
Conrod bearings, sorry.
Thrust bearings are going to be on the side of the
On the
crankshaft.
side.
One of them.
I thought the thrust bearings in the gearbox.
Are you taking the piss?
No, they have got thrust bearings.
Which part of the gearbox?
The backside. You know the bearing that.
Oh, that one.
Yeah,
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 yeah. The bearing, I know which one.
The one
What
that
spins around it.
Oh, that's the release bearing.
Release bearing.
probably a thrust bearing or
No,
Clutch
release bearing. I'm sure that.
clutch release bearing.
Yeah.
on the for clutch.
Yeah.
Got him.
How's the backside of that? Any good? Scored up. Right. Right.
Let's take off the girdle now, is it?
The girdle, yeah.
Yes.
So the main bolts are loose. Now we're going to move the block over to the table and we're just going to fully strip it. What's left? Just the girdle and the crank, and I say happy days.
Recap, yeah? We're going to use this.
Right.
We don't know if we're going to use the cams. We don't. We're going to use this. We're not going to use them. We're going to use this.
Why we're not using these? Stretch.
No, no, no.
Stretch AJ, they stretch.
Yes. No
Stretch.
good. Look at them.
The stock ones,
Yeah.
rubbish. For the power you're going, AJ, ooh,
No,
need some
they ain't gonna work.
golden ones.
So now we're going to take off this, take out the crank, and let's have a look at her and look inside the block and see what she's looking at.
Do you know how we know we're in a serious workshop? I'm bringing it here. Look at the voice this gentleman has. Look at this. Ouchie.
Ouch.
Brother, don't tighten my. Oh, okay, it does. My finger stuck. Oh no, it don't.
It does.
Serious. Ain't got nothing on BMT, let me tell you. So the two longer bolts on the outside sit right here. So long bolt. And the two long bolts for the inside of the girdle sit right here. Right, boom. Just one, short one, long one, short one. Beautiful. So
Girdle's
that's
coming
it.
off.
The girdle is finally off. There we go.
There we go.
It's looking. Subaru Rally Team. AJ, what do you think? Cousin with the buzzing.
Yeah, it's
You're not going to reuse them, are you?
You know, it's not looking that bad.
Try and answer the phone. See which one you can answer.
That is actually quite bad, you can see it disintegrating. You got the squirters as well, Chow. Thrust washers falling off, the ones in there.
Yeah, that's the ones I like dropping.
And the other ones here.
So that's what happened to that engine. I dropped thrust washers.
Serious?
Yeah, 2 of them. First I dropped one. I done a 10-8. 10-8.
Oh, you must have had bad crank.
Then I took off the sump. Took out the one what was in the bottom of the sump. Went again. Done a 10-7. But then the second one, put a little hole in the sump.
So that is the box shapes. New engine, stripped. It's all exploded out on AJ's table. So the block's looking healthy. Still got the fucking bearings in here. There we go.
He has his Weetabix with Fiji water.
I had smocking me.
Weetabix with water.
Mocking the thing. You weren't joking before, now he's taking a nick. Block's looking good, crank's looking good, everything's looking good. Again, a K20 head. So where's it gonna go, AJ? So it's gonna get all cleaned up. Who's gonna build it? Is it gonna be Lala?
722, yes.
722. 722 horsepowers.
That's what we want out of it.
Japanese ponies.
Pistons and rods, that's it. We're good to go. Might keep it as a K24 head on there, you never know.
That man's looking sad. It's been good, it's been
Spider-Man.
fun, AJ.
Yeah man, you
It
had
was fun. Thank you for inviting me down.
Of course.
In Aston
First time
Martin
we
garage.
dismantled the engine in here.
Hopefully you learned a couple of
we've
things.
changed
now.
engines in here for sure, but not dismantled ones in it.
Stripped.
For
the
sure,
knees.
yeah. So we've stripped it today. We're gonna try, put it together, put a time down, hopefully inshallah innit?
9s. If it's not 9s, I'm gonna be upset.
Now who's looking 9 or low 9s? You gotta say low 9s. 9s we're looking in the stock block.
Okay, low 9s then. 8s,
Yeah.
high 8s.
Low 9s.
High 8s?
No. Low
Okay,
9s.
low 9s then.
Low 9s.
See you on the next one.
Yes.